Welcome back to the channel. It's Model Rock 321 and this is another rocket of the day. And today's rocket of the day is my scratch built Little Joe 1. It's the Mercury Little Joe 1. As you can see, the Mercury capsule up there. Very old build, many flights on. I talk about this rocket often on this channel. It seems like I do. Had many flights on it. You can check the past videos. I've flown this a lot of times. Had a few fin breaks. Not as of recent. These are old breaks. I remember it's hit the ground once. Actually, parachute ripped off and it hit the ground years ago at a club launch. But it's been surviving ever since. It's been doing me good. You get your capsule and booster are separate. Scale decals here. Had to get those custom made. You probably can buy these now, but I had those custom made by Gordon Angelo, the Sandman. I think he was making. He's a rocket legend. He was making decals at one point, and he had those made from him when he had his website up and he was selling decals. This is just a Mercury capsule you would get out of the kit. Fins are all pretty much shaped sand. They were a block of balsa, thick balsa, probably 1/4 inch. I had to sand them down and get them to that shape. One of my all-time favorite. Many flights on this rocket right here. Excuse me. Many flights on this guy. It's one of my legends. This is one of my legends. I'll try to keep this one forever if I can. Yep. So that's it for today, guys. This is Model Rock 321. Support the channel any way you can. Check the comments. Check the links below. Leave a comment. Check the links below. If you want to get anything from Estes, estesrockets.com. Put in discount code IN_321. When you go ahead and shop, put stuff in your cart and put that code in. Again, that's IN_321. And this is today's rocket of the day, the Mercury Little Joe 1. Stay tuned for more.